Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe my channel now so that you won't miss any interesting video from me. I believe many of you have heard about Langkawi Travel Bubble that launched in Malaysia on 16 September, which means you can travel to Langkawi now. Yes, you can. And I suggest you to take flight instead of land transport. The reason why is because you are required to apply a travel permit from a police station. You can skip all this by simply taking a flight. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I travel from my house to airport and how is the situation inside the airport and what's the SOP that we have to adhere and going through. And lastly, of course, I will show you guys how is the situation inside the airplane. So let's subscribe to my channel by simply clicking on the logo at the right bottom before we start the journey to Langkawi. So first of all, I will drive my own car to park at Salak Tinggi KLIA transit. It takes me about 40 to 50 minutes and is around 62 kilometers. Yo. This is my university roommate at front and also my travel buddy. You can now purchase the KLIA Express ticket via the website and enjoy the 15% off by using the Touch and Go e-wallet to make the payment.
Salak Tinggi. Press the button to open doors. Station berikutnya KLIA2. Destination KLIA2.
Belum. Ada bawa sok basket ya.
Boleh pergi counter Y.
Apa?
Counter Y.
Counter 1. Okay, thank you.
Tengok tu ada cecair dalam tu.
Ya.
Kita nak use lidah dalam tu. Kita nak adhere you sama banyak dengan cecair tu.
Ni baru masuk dalam.
Yang bawa asing. Okay. Bawa ke kaunter jumpa doktor sorry.
Have a seat. Take your number. The blue color. Okay, have a seat. Ada bro. Iya. Finally，可以去早市了。Tame the skyway again. Yes. Everyone can fly again. Let's go. Yeah, yeah.